channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with the quantitative aptitude class, that has been the 177th question class of the session. This has been the arithmetical ability. We are on 16th topic, that is pipes and cistern, where we had completed the 15th topic, that is your time in work. Coming towards pipe and cistern here, even though in pipe and cistern had done your 28th question in the last classes, so we'll go for it and we'll start discussing about 29th question of the session in today's class. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So let's get started with the same. So with the same we go for it, and that has been the important question is 29. The question has been two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 20 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. While a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 6 minutes. A and B are kept open for 5 minutes in the beginning and then C is also open. In what time the cistern emptied? The options were 30 minutes, 33 minutes, 37 1/2 minutes and 45 minutes. Let's find out the solution. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively, while a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 6 minutes. A and B are kept open for 5 minutes in the beginning. And then C is also opened so C is also opened here. And in what time is the cistern emptied? In what time is the cistern emptied? Options were 30 minutes, 33 minutes, 37 1/2 minutes and 45 minutes. So let's find it out the solution here. Part filled in 5 minutes. So with the same, part filled in 5 minutes equals to 5. 1/12 plus 1/15 equals to 5 into 9/60 equals to 3/4. So part emptied in 1 minute when all the pipes are opened. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 upon 1 by 15. 1 upon 6 minus 3 by 20 equals to 1 upon 60. Now 1 upon 60 part is emptied in 1 minute. So 3 by 4 part will be emptied in 60 into 3 by 4 equals to 45 minutes. That we have 30th question of the session we have. So the 30th question we have as follows. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours and 4 hours respectively if they are opened on alternate hours, and if pipe A is opened first, in how many hours the tank shall be full. The options were 4, 4, 1 by 2, 5, 5, 5, 1 by 2. So here we go. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours and 4 hours respectively if they are opened on alternate hours, and if pipe A is opened first, in how many hours the tank shall be full. And that the tank shall be full. 4, 4, 1 by 2, 5, 5, 1 by 2. Let's find out the solution here. A's work in 1 hour. For the same, it will be that options we told about it, and that the options we have is 4, 4, 1 by 2, 5 and 5, 1 by 2. We'll solve the same here. So here we go. So A's work in 1 hour equals to 1 by 6, where B's work in 1 hour equals to 1 by 4. So A plus B's 2 hours work when opened alternatively one upon 6 . plus 1 upon 4 equals to 5 by 12. Now A plus B is 4 hours work when open. Alternatively, 10 upon 12, which is 5 by 6. Now remaining part, equals to 1 minus 5 by 6 equals to 1 by 6. Now it is A's turn. And 1 by 6 part is filled by A in 1 hour. So total time taken to fill the tank equals to 4 plus 1 hour, which is equals to 5 hours. Now here we go for the next one, which has been the 31st question of the session, and that we have as follows. Thirty-one question we have here, which is your 3 taps A, B, C, that is 3 taps A, B, C can fill a tank in 12, 15 and 20 hours respectively if A is open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternatively. The tank will be full in. That's what we have to answer, and that has been asked in the SSC examination paper as well. Options were 6 hours, 6 2 by 3 hours, 5 hours and 7 1 by 2 hours. So let's find out the solution here for the same. 3 taps A, B, C. Can fill a tank in 12, 15 and 20 hours respectively if A is open all the time and B and C are open for 1 hour each alternatively. The tank will be full in. This is being asked in SSC examination paper. The options were 6 hours, 6 2 by 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 1 by 2 hours. So let's find out the same here. So here we go. A plus B is 1 hour's work. equals to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15, which is equals to 9 upon 60, and that is equals to 3 upon 20. Now A plus C's 1 hour's work equals to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 20 equals to 8 upon 60, and that is 2 upon 15. So part filled in 2 hours equals to 3 upon 20 plus 2 upon 15, which is equals to 17 upon 60. And part filled in 6 hours, which is equals to 3 into 17 by 60. 3 ones are 3, 3 20s are 60. It will be equals to 17 upon 60. Now remaining part equals to 1 minus 17 upon 20, which will be 3 upon 20. So now it is the turn of A and B 3 by 20 part that is built by A and B in 1 hour that we have. So 31 solution that will continue here is being now it is the turn of A and B, and 3 by 20 part is filled by A and B in 1 hour. So total time taken to fill the tank equals to 6 plus 1 hours, which is equals to 7 hours. Here now we talk about for the another one, which is being the another important question is the 32th question of the session. So let's figure it out. That we have as follows. The 32th question. So the question we have a booster pump that can be used for filling as well as for emptying a tank. The capacity of the tank is 2400 meter cube, that is 2400 meter cube. The emptying capacity of the tank is 10 meter cube per minute, higher than its filling capacity, and the pump needs 8 minutes lesser to empty the tank than it needs to fill it. What is the filling capacity of the pump? That you have to answer it out here. So the options for the same we have, that what we had even to discuss about it. So with the same here the options is 50 meter cube per minute, 60 meter cube per minute, 72 meter cube per minute, and none of these. So we go for the same. Let's have these questions in a way. A booster pump can be used for filling used for filling as well as for emptying a tank. Emptying a tank. Here, the capacity of the tank is 2400 meter cube. The emptying capacity of the tank is 10 meter cube per minute. Higher than its filling capacity. And the pump needs 8 minutes. Lesser to empty the tank. To empty the tank, then it needs to fill it. Fill it. What is the filling capacity of the pump? Options were 50 meter cube per minute, 60 meter cube per minute, 72 meter cube per minute. None of these. We'll go for the solution here. Let the filling capacity of the pump be x meter cube per minute. Then empty capacity of the pump equals to x plus 10 meter cube per minute. So 2400 upon x minus 2400, x plus 10 equals to 8. That is x square plus 10x minus 3000 equals to 0. So x minus 50, x plus 60 equals to 0, x equals to 50, because neglecting the negative value of x here, and that what we'll have, and as an answer x equals to 50. Now we go for the another question that we have to answer it out, is being the 33rd question of the session. And the 33rd question of the session we have. So the question, first I'll go ahead. A leak in the bottom of a tank can empty the full tank in 8 hours, and an inlet pipe fills water at the rate of 6 liters a minute. When the tank is full, the inlet is open, and the water that due to the leak, the tank is empty in 12 hours. How many liters does the cistern hold? Options were 7,580, 7,960, 8,290, and 8,640. So accordingly you have to answer it out here, and let's go for the solution here as well. So here we go. A leak in the bottom of a tank can empty the full tank in 8 hours. And inlet pipe fills water at the rate of 6 liter. A minute. When the tank is full, the inlet is opened, and due to the leak, now we have your this is that is due to the leak. The tank is empty in 12 hours. How many liters does the cistern hold? Options were 7,580, 7,960, 8,290, and 8,640. So we go for it, and that what we'll have to answer it out here as well. So here we go. Work done by the inlet in 1 hour. One upon 8 minus 1 upon 12, 1 upon 24. Work done by the inlet in 1 minute. Equals to 1 upon 24 into 1 upon 60, which is equals to 1 upon 1440. Volume of upon 1440. Part equals to 6 liters. Volume of hole equals to 1440 into 6 liters, which will give you the answer 8640 liters. That will be having as an answer here. So now we ending it up, and we'll continue the next question in the next coming class. That is of course been the important one here too, and that is will be the 34th question we'll discuss there. And so for the same 34th question we'll discuss there and in your 178th class of the session. But before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this quantitative aptitude, we are dealing with the physics part 1 and the chemistry part 2 for class 11th in CRT. We had done chemistry part 1. We are dealing with the DBMS, CBNST. We had done your reasoning, that is your verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning. Coming towards quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability. In that we had done your numbers, operations on numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance, problems on train, boards on streams, allocations on mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man odd series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.